Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Do you want to learn English and speak better? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn easy English sentences. Please practice with me. Let's begin. My name is Tekle. I am a teacher. I work at a small school. I teach English to children. I wake up early every morning. I drink tea and go to school. The students smile and say, "Good morning." I feel happy. In the classroom, I write on the board. I say, "Repeat after me." The students repeat. Sometimes they make mistakes. I say, "It is okay. Keep trying." Teaching is not easy. Some students feel shy. Some say, "English is difficult." I tell them, "You can do it." One boy could not read well. He felt sad. Every day, we practiced together. Slowly, he improved. One day, he read a full page. He smiled and said, "I did it. I felt proud. I am not rich, but I love my job." When my students learn, I feel strong inside. I teach more than words. I teach kindness and respect. I tell my students, "Do not give up." Years pass. My students grow up. When they see me, they say, "Thank you, teacher." Those words make me happy. Life is not perfect, but I stay patient. I believe education changes lives. I am Tekle, a teacher. I live a simple life. But my heart is full. Keep learning. Practice every day. Never stop trying. Thank you for listening.